Hi! In front of me is Realme 5i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this device. Firstly, access settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into security and tap on permissions. Over here select one of those phone features, like use camera, and click on it. Now select one of your apps. I will go with Facebook. Then pick one of the options, allow, prohibit or ask. I will go with allow, so when I go back I can see that Facebook gained access to my device's camera. But you can also go back, tap on apps over here, select one of them, for example Facebook again, and manage permissions from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!